Let's continue. Close, and here is main activity. Here is XML file. Here, this is basically for design. Let me increase the font size. Now it's okay. In design, there is written hello world. So basically this is a text you can see here. In our websites we need to layout, we do layout with the help of HTML, but here these are XML code. In case of websites we use HTML for layout design, but in Android to design activity we use XML codes. So here XML code is written and you can see the XML version. It's XML version 1.0 and encoding UTF-8. So I'm going to remove this text view. You can see hello world is written here. And you can see in design part hello world. So this is basically this. That text view is nothing but this hello world. I need to remove this text view and just type angle bracket and press capital W. So automatically you will get hints. So here is so many hints. I need web view because I'm going to convert website or blog into Android application, right? So just press enter. Now it is asking for width. So of course match parent means the entire width, and again match parent means entire height. I will take. Now I need to access this web view component, means this is basically a resource and I want to access this in my Java code. So I will need to specify a ID. Just type ID. Automatically you will get hints. Just press enter and again press enter and give it a name. So our ID will be, you can give any ID, my web view. This is my ID. Let's save it and just come in your main activity.java file, and here you can see there is a onCreate method. So this is the method by which our app will load, or app first activity will. So you can see the activity underscore main. This is nothing but this activity underscore main XML file. So inside onCreate method, this r.layout.xml file will load first. So here I need to first I will declare a global variable, or you can say instance variable, web view. Just press 2 or 3 letters, automatically you will get hints. So web view, and name of variable web view 1. So this is my variable name, web view 1, or you can also just keep it simple like web view, so only wb. Here I need to assign this variable. Just type web view equals to, I'm going to call a method find view by ID. So find view by ID, so you'll get hints. Just press enter, and R means resource, and resource ID dot is my web view. So we have written my web view in XML file here, my web view, and I need to typecast this. So here you can see one error. Just typecast it, web view. Now error is gone. So web view basically a class. I need to call the methods of this web view class. A web view is an object. So let's web view dot get web view. First we need a web view client. So I will call web view dot set web view client. This is the first method, and inside this we need a file. You can see in a hints, in web view we need an object of web view client class. So I will write new. To create an object in Java we need to write new web view client. So object is ready. Now for your web application, if you're using JavaScript, so we need to enable JavaScript in our web application. So I will call web view dot get settings is another method, right? Get settings dot I will call enable JavaScript. Just type Java. So you can see Java get JavaScript enable. This is the second one, and you can see in hints I need to pass here I need to pass a boolean variable true, right? sorry, this is wrong method, that's why error is here. Dot set JavaScript. Yeah, I have written get, but it's set JavaScript enabled, and I need to pass a variable. You can see in hints here we required a boolean variable, so I will true it because I will use JavaScript in my code. Web view dot get settings. In our web pages we have an option of zoom in and zoom out, but in web application we don't have an option of zoom in and zoom out, so I will false the zoom control. Set zoom. Okay, let me check what is the method. Yeah, get built-in zoom controls, and here you can see set built-in zoom control. Just press enter. This is the method, and here I'm passing a boolean variable false since I don't want to enable zoom in zoom on option. Right now I need to load the URL w web view dot a method called load URL. So this is the third one, load URL. Press enter, and a string, and just here is load your I need the URL of the website theme. Okay, it's loading. Responsive website theme and live demo. This is the URL. Just copy the URL and paste in here. So now this is done. Let's run our app. This is the first step, right? Before that, this is our Android package app folder. Inside that we have a file folder called manifest. Inside that we have a file android manifest.xml. So it's required internet permission, right? For that I will give a permission, internet permission. To give internet permission, write users permission and just type capital I N until you get the option of internet. So internet permission is done. Let's save it. So we have given internet permission, we have written Java code. This is the first step. We need to do a lot of things. Let's but here I have written only these things. I will do it. So just for now, just run this app. So here is an option of Nexus S API, but when you will connect your phone with your laptop or computer, then you will find the option of your device. After enabling the USB debugging mode, just press OK. So here is a Gradle build running. So you can see our app is loaded, but initially it has taken some time, right? And we can't see the anything, any movement. So it looks like app is not working well. About page, so again it will take little time. So whenever we change page from one page to another page, there will be some delay. For that we need to write some code to prevent that situation. So here you can see, here is our new web view client. I need to write here, give it here curly braces, right? Press enter, and I need to call methods of web view client class. So to call the web view client class method, just type here on. Automatically you'll get hints page. So you can see the on page started. This is a method, And next method, should override when during the page is loading. Should override URL. This is the second method, should override URL loading. What happens when URL is loading? And then on finish, on page finished. This is the third method. So these three methods we required. So for this is enough. Let's continue in the next part.